Good morning to you guys and dear students. Welcome back to you again. 20th July 2020, Monday. Have a nice day to you all. As you know that we are reading cross section lesson second, Lost Stories, Lost Spring, Stories of Stolen Childhood. Just before this, I have completed its first story. Sometimes I find a rupee in the garbage. After this, the second story, I want to drive a car. Some of the remaining word meanings are like this. Dawn means come into existence. Is wrapped means is wrapped loosely with folds of clothes. Drained of joy means deprived of joy. Raped means received as a consequence of our own actions. Rings means echoes or sounds. Echo the lament means have a continued influence of their elders, passionate expression of grief. Little has moved means no more change has come. Mind numbing means deprived of the power of sensation of their mind. Initiative means the power to act before others do, or first step or self effort. Organize means make arrangement. Cooperative means a group of helping each other. Vicious circle means encircled with wicked or evil people. I sense a flash of it means I am vaguely aware of a sudden manifestation of it. Middleman means man in the middle of the work. Trapped means caught in a net. Hauled up means reprimanded severely or arrested. Apathy means lack of interest. Distinct means different or separate. A web means a complex system or trap. Burdened means heavily loaded. Growing up means bringing up. Stigma means a mark of disgrace associated with a particular circumstance or blemish or bad name. Cheered means felt happy. Bureaucrats means government officials. Put down means control. Hurtling means moving at great speed. Dragged to jail means pulled forcibly into a jail. Regret means feeling of sorrow. Murmur means the quiet expression of a feeling. Aware means having knowledge of the fact. To dare means to challenge. Embarrassment means sigh feelings. These are the word meanings from this story. I want to drive a car. You should note these all down in your fair notebook and read the story. After that, textual short answer type questions. Question number 1. What makes the city of Firozabad famous? Answer. The trade of glass bangle making makes the city of Firozabad famous. Question number 2. Mention the hazards of working in the glass bangles industry. Answer. The biggest hazard of working in the glass bangles industry is that the worker goes blind with the dust from polishing the glass of bangles. Question number 3. How is Mukesh's attitude to his situation different from that his family? Answer. Mukesh wants to be a motor mechanic while his family follows the inherited trade of bangle making. His initiative makes his attitude different from that of his family. Dear students, you should also note these textual short answer type questions from this story in your fair notebook and After this, look here about the note. Attempt any 3 additional short answer type questions from this story also. Now, nice meeting to you the next day with the explanation of this story. Up to then, have a nice day. Thank you.